Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kirti here. In today's video, I am going to present a beautiful and easy to understand essay on unity in diversity. So watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Introduction. Unity in diversity means living together in harmony despite differences in culture, language, religion, and traditions. India is the best example of unity in diversity, where people from different backgrounds live as one nation. Cultural diversity. India has many religions, festivals, languages, and customs. People celebrate different festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Guru Purab. Yet they respect each other's beliefs. These diversities make our country rich and colorful. Importance of unity. Unity keeps a nation strong. When people stand together, they can face any challenges. Unity promotes peace, brotherhood, and mutual respect among citizens. Unity in daily life, in schools, offices, and society. People from different communities work and study together. Cooperation and understanding help maintain harmony and national integrity. Conclusion. In conclusion, unity in diversity is the strength of our nation. It teaches us tolerance, respect, and love for one another. By maintaining unity, we can build a peaceful and a progressive society. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching.